guys, welcome back to Randy's Garage. This here's my pal Randy. Today we're gonna be blowing up a potato and a water bottle with a vise. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna wheel this out into the driveway. Come on, guys. All right, this is our safety equipment. This is what's going in the vise. All, yeah. Remember, safety first, boys. Let's get rolling, keep rolling. Screw turn. All right, that is secure. Almost. Feel the pressure in there building. Well, that one failed. Let's empty some of this out and try again. Try it half empty this time, see what happens. Safety first. That is really tight. A lot of pressure in that. As you can see, guys, blew out pressure right there in the back water bottle. That's typically what happens with these type of Kirkland cheap waters, you know? Potatoes next. Shove that bad boy in there. Oh, that is tight. As you can see, it just sort of mashed it. Make great fries though. All right, guys, make sure you click the like button and subscribe for more Vise content.